On Sunday, September 24, 2017, an Italian Air Force Eurofighter F-2008 Typhoon, most probably MM-7278 RS-23 belonging to the Reparto Sperimentale Volo test wing, has crashed into the sea at Terracina, 76 kilometers south of Rome. Based on the several videos that have already emerged on social media, the pilot, Captain Gabriele Orlandi, did not recover the aircraft at the end of a looping and didn't attempt to eject from the jet. Here below you can find a few clips that have been posted on YouTube so far. Many more are being uploaded on Twitter and Instagram as well. The causes of the crash are under investigation, the Italian Air Force said in a press statement. The Typhoon of the RSV most probably involved in the crash, MM-7278 RS-23, taking off from Grosseto during the Marina di Grosseto airshow rehearsals on June 24, 2017. The following composite image was created using Photoshop and images posted on Repubblica.it. Composite image created with Photoshop with the photos by Simone Grassi published on Repubblica.it. This is the second deadly crash of a Typhoon in little less than 2 weeks. Of RSAF Typhoon combat aircraft involved in a mission against Houthi fighters over Yemen crashed into a mountain in Al Wadaya district on September 13, 2017. Top image credit screenshots from Michelle F. Video related.